Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 3 best easy clean bottle washer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Grownsy Easy Clean Bottle Washer Pro. All-in-one bottle washer and sterilizer and dryer. Baby bottle washer for bottles, pump parts and baby essentials. Replaces hand washing. The Grownsy baby bottle washer automatically washes, sterilizes, dries, and stores bottles, pacifiers, pump parts, sippy cups, and other baby accessories. It saves you time and energy by eliminating the need for manual cleaning. It's a must-have baby item for families with babies. The Bottle Washer Pro is equipped with 12 precision-directed sprays for thorough interior cleaning of bottles and 14 swirling jets for complete 360 degrees exterior cleaning. With a high-pressure water system rated at 24,000 pascals, it effortlessly removes stubborn stains and uses 86% less water than traditional manual washing, making it an eco-friendly choice. This baby bottle washer machine offers 4 programs: Quick Wash, Standard Wash, Sterilize, and Dry and Storage, each offering customizable settings across 9 cleaning modes for versatile cleaning options. Need a fast solution? The Quick Wash mode can thoroughly clean newborn essentials like bottles and pacifiers in just 19 minutes. The 212 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature steam kills 99.99% of germs effectively. The subsequent hot air drying ensures bottles are spotless and ready for immediate use. This baby bottle sterilizer and dryer provides a hygienic environment for your baby. Equipped with a built-in HEPA filter, this bottle sterilizer and dryer purifies the air to eliminate 99.9% of airborne particles. It ensures your bottles and other baby items remain sterile and dry for up to 72 hours. Number 2. Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Wash. Sterilizer and dryer, all-in-one cleaning machine for bottles, pump parts and baby essentials, time-saving and effortless care. And automatically washes, sterilizes, and dries baby bottles, pump parts, baby tableware, and more, saving you precious time to spend with your family. No single stain spot will be missed, as 12 directional spray jets and 4 sets brush the interior of each bottle, while 10 swirling spray jets cleanse the surface. Pop in your baby bottles, as well as your wearable pump parts. Momcozy Bottle Washer has a dual-layer design that holds up to 4 bottles from most major brands and other baby items at a time. Freely combine the 4 modes: Rapid Wash, Normal Wash, Sterilize plus Dry, Storage, and customize your settings. In a rush? Opt for the Quick Wash mode, which efficiently cleans your bottles in just 19 minutes. Creates a safe and hygienic feeding environment for your baby's health. Keep bottles dry and clean in the washer for up to 72 hours after washing. The airflow is purified by the medical-grade H13 HEPA filter, removing 99.9% airborne particles. And each baby bottle washer comes with a 1-year warranty and includes 60 official Momcozy bottle washer tablets. Compatible with 120V 60 Hz voltage. Number 3. Papablic Bottle Washer Pro. Bottle washer and sterilizer and dryer, 4-in-1 bottle washer sanitizer for bottles, pump parts, and baby essentials, quick and clean with 60 detergent tablets. Wash, sterilize, dry, and store all in one go. Whether you're in a rush or have time to spare, the Wash plus Sterilize plus Dry functions can be freely combined to fit your needs. Complete a quick wash in as little as 19 minutes, or run the full cycle in just 74 or 84 minutes. Say goodbye to tedious chores and enjoy more quality time with your baby. Unlike vertical front panels, Papablic's angled design lets you see and operate controls clearly without bending, even one-handed, while holding your baby. This ergonomic setup helps new moms and all caregivers avoid unnecessary strain, especially helpful for C-section moms, making daily routines easier, more comfortable, and more supportive for those providing care. And, after thousands of lab iterations, our spray nozzle layout is optimized to clean bottles, pump parts, and silicone toys with precision. Every spray jet is strategically placed for full coverage, even in narrow parts and valves. With 26 precision jets, 25,000 pascals pressure, and 99.99% sterilization, it easily removes even scorched milk. Proven through 1,000 plus lab tests on burnt and spoiled milk, delivering cleaning performance far beyond everyday messes like overnight bottles. Plus, supported by Papablic's professional engineering team with a 3-year exclusive warranty. Comes with 60 detergent tablets included with your washer to support a fresh, effortless start to your bottle cleaning routine. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.